I've had a few of you ask how I dye my hair a copper gingery colour. My natural hair colour is quite a dark auburn, but it does have red undertones to it. But you know, I'm 41 now. I've been going grey since I had my first son in my early 20s. And yeah, you can see the lovely grey root shining through. You can see there, yeah, I'm pretty much quite grey, very, very, very grey. So I thought I'd show you a quick video of what I do and what I use, and just to show you exactly what it looks like. So I was going to apply this colour downstairs, but I thought, why not film it? So this will be a short video, not so much a how-to, because yeah, although I am a trained hairdresser, I'm very old school and I've been dyeing my hair at home for years. So I might not be doing everything, you know, exactly what would happen in a hair salon. But this is more to show you what my hair colour is like naturally and what it looks like and what products I use, not so much a how-to dye your hair. Okay, I just pick up bad habits as I go along. So anyway, the product I use and I absolutely adore, which unfortunately is quite hard to get, I have to buy this off Amazon because none of the shops I go to anymore sell it. Such a pain. So it's a L'Oreal Paris and it's the Prodigy range. So that's that. And the colour I have is a 6.45 and it's amber, I think, is it? Yeah, amber. Natural light mahogany brown. But gorgeous, gorgeous colour. Look at those eyes, stunning. That's what it looks like at the back there. And because I've been dyeing my hair in copper colour, for I'd say like 4 or 5 years now, I go through phases. I go through phases of being black. I also go through phases of being blonde, which I love. I love being blonde, but my hair is just too thin and yeah, it's not great anymore. But no, I do love red. I do love red. So I've been a coppery colour for many years now and haven't always used this. I used to use, before I had this, I did have a colour called Vermilion. It was in this Prodigy range and it is vibrant, super, super, super bright orange. I dyed my hair using it for one of my tutorials. I think it was my Bohemian Bride makeup and hair look last year. So I generally do it like in the summer, so brighten up my hair colour even more. But yeah, I just like this. I really like it. At first when I apply it, it does seem a lot darker because ginger red hair, it fades, you know, it does go lighter, but some red shades, they fade to a not so nice colour, they like wishy-washy colour, but I find that this fades really nicely, really, really lovely, and it blends brilliant with my halo, my little halo hairpiece that I wear just to thicken up the bottom of my hair really. It's the same length as my hair down to here, but it just thickens it up, so I wear it a lot. And in my videos you might see me with, if I've got my hair down, I'll generally be wearing my halo. So it blends in beautifully with that as well. So there is colour fade definitely, but as I said, it fades down quite a nice natural looking hair colour. It all depends on shampoos as well as shampoos and conditioners, they can strip. So I'm using Prodigy and I'm also using John Frieda as well, so the red range. I find that is amazing for perking up colour, but I haven't used it for a little while because I knew I was going to be dyeing my hair. Generally dye my hair every 6 to 8 weeks, sometimes a bit sooner, especially if I've got something special coming up. And because I am quite grey now, as you can see, I am very, very grey. So I want to get rid of those grey hairs coming through. But no, I love it. It covers my grey brilliantly and yeah, the colour is lovely. At first, as I said, it comes out a little bit darker, but then after say about 2 or 3 washes, it does lighten a little bit and it's that gorgeous, gorgeous, vibrant copper colour. So I definitely say it's more coppery than what it is on the box actually, which is a bit odd, but maybe because I have got, you know, copper colour anyway, so it's building on top. So yeah, enough of me rambling on. So inside the box you get the actual colour, and this comes in tube, so it's, what is it, it's like a 60-gram tube, and that's the actual colour. Then you get the developing lotion, the peroxide, which is developer cream emulsion, so it's 60 grams of that. You get a little pot, so you mix, which I'll show you what I do now, so you mix the colour and the developer together in here. And then you've also got a gorgeous conditioner. Now I never use a full one, these are fantastic. fantastic. But you need a good conditioner to seal in the hair colour and to close the cuticles. Permanent, you know, it can be damaging, but as long as you look after your hair, don't leave it on longer than what is recommended on the box or what is stated. You also have to do a test, a skin test prior if you've never used these products before, and it's a good routine to keep doing it now and again, because everyone changes, different medications and whatever's happening in your life, you know, different supplements you're taking, whatever, can affect. So it's good to have a little skin test now and again to make sure that you're okay. You put a little bit of the hair colour behind your ear and you leave it there for about 48 hours. If there's no irritation, no itchiness, you know you're good to go. But if there is, then you know, because you don't want an allergic reaction to hair colour, because I've seen it and it is horrible. It's not nice at all. It's really nasty. So no, so those are the two things those are the things to keep in mind. Normally I get a spatula, but there wasn't in this box. It doesn't matter because I give it a good old shake anyway. If you're new to putting, I know it's turning into a tutorial, isn't it? But I didn't mean to be. If you are new to applying hair colours to yourself at home, I suggest putting a barrier cream around your hairline. I don't do it because I'm just used to it and I find that, you know, I'm okay. But a barrier cream such as petroleum jelly, like a Vaseline or something like that, so that would stop the staining of your skin. I always have a tail comb to separate. I do it in sections. You'll see how I do it now. I start off by a middle section and then I go through in little sections like that. It is difficult to do the back. It's more guesswork to do the back. If you can have someone else to help you, brilliant, but no one helps me. And I just tend to massage in, which you'll see in a minute anyway. But yeah, what I found, I should show you really, I should do it like this really, but I haven't got clips. What I would suggest if you are a bit nervous to doing it yourself, or if you're not very good, or if you find that you come out in, you've got patches that you haven't dyed, do like a hot cross bun. Get 4 little clips, do a hot cross bun around here. So you've got this section, so just start this section and get the roots done. This is fine, you could do this no problem, but when you get to the back that is the more difficult. But then if it's already in sections, then using a tail comb you can just grab each section at a time and it's more precise, definitely more precise. So if you want a better application, do a hot cross bun with 4 clips and do it like that and you should be fine. So yeah, so in the instructions there's 2 different ways of doing it. So if you've never dyed your hair before, there's instructions on what to do there, and I follow the ones that obviously for root growth. So for root growth I would apply it to my roots only. I'd leave that on for 20 minutes and then I'll come back and then I apply the rest of the hair colour to the ends and to the mid lengths and ends, just so that it brightens the ends up a little bit, and I leave that on for 10 minutes. Then I shampoo it all out. So to shampoo it out, I wet my hair a bit and then I massage my hair. So basically tint removes tint, so it helps anyway. So you just massage all the hair colour into your hair, especially around the edges here, because it just lifts the tint off your scalp and everything like that. So once you've given your head a really good massage, then you rinse it out and you carry on rinsing until the water runs clear. Then you put your conditioner on and then you wait for like about 5 minutes or so and then rinse as normal. Once this is all done, I will come back and I'll show you what my hair obviously looks like once it's dyed. Now my hair is greasy, not super greasy, but I don't want to wash it. I don't like dyeing my hair when it's freshly washed, because I do use conditioner and conditioner can act as a barrier to a hair colour. So this is about 3 days worth of hair that hasn't been washed, so the roots are a little bit greasy, but it's fine. For a permanent colour it's completely fine, and it's a mess. It is a mess. So getting an old towel, you can tell this is old because I've got old bleach marks, so this is my colouring towel. I've already got my viewfinder, oh dear. I'll come a bit closer up. Right then, so I'll just section it like this. I go around my edges first. Just go around my hairline. I might have to touch this up because I'm just looking through the camera viewfinder, which is not ideal, but I haven't got another hand to hold a mirror. I really need like a table in here. So then go behind my ears and follow my hairline here. Use my comb, section it in the middle, and then follow my hairline and then blend it in like that. I'm going to have to go closer, can't really see what I'm doing. Section in again. You can really see my grey. I can't believe I'm doing this on YouTube. Oh well, doesn't matter, does it? So yeah, so with a brush you get more precise sort of colour coverage, I would say. Right, so now I've got to do the back. See what I mean by barrier cream? Yeah, yeah. I tidy that up afterwards anyway. Oh, this flipping thing, gosh. So for the back, I section it again. I section down the middle this time. And then I use this, because I find using a tail comb a bit tricky for me at the back. If I was doing the hot cross fern, then it would be easier, but I just use this. So I use this to make sections in my hair as I go along. So you might not be able to see what I'm doing, but I'm actually going down the middle of my head and just rubbing it gently, being cautious. I don't want to rub it too vigorously because I don't want it to touch the rest of my hair. Not yet anyway. So then going down another section. When I think I've covered it all, I just give my just give my roots a little massage, just really aware not to try and massage the rest of the hair. So that is done there. It looks wonderful, doesn't it? Should this be my thumbnail? No. Right, so I'm going to time myself now 20 minutes. So now I'm going to put the rest on my hair. So for this, I just slap it on. Put a load on my hand there. And then just, yeah, slap it on. If I had thicker hair, I would go through it with like a wide tough comb, just to make sure that the colour was evenly distributed, especially if I had really long, really long thick hair. You don't want patches. You don't want patches. So I'm pretty secure in knowing that, because my hair is quite thin and it's not super long, that I generally cover all my hair just from massaging it like this. So I think that's it. So I'll just leave that now on the top of my head like that, looking gorgeous. So the next time you see me, you'll see the finished look and what my hair looks like, freshly dyed. You can see the colour. Wow, it's gorgeous, gorgeous coppery red colour, really lovely. And my roots, I've got a bit of an orange tint to my hairline, but that'll come out in the next day or two. But yeah, when it's first dyed, it's very fine. I find that it's quite fluffy and quite fine because the conditioner is quite like a mask-like. So it's, yeah, it feels really, really nice. So no, it feels really nice. It's, yeah, coloured evenly, even though, my slapdash or whatever. But no, so that's what the colour looks like. So that's what the colour looks like on my hair. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up. And yeah, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.